Look at all these Hummers. What kind of jerk?
Sewer Control Protection Limited has issued an emergency action notification for your area. Please remain calm. Sewer Control Protection Limited has issued an emergency action notification for your area. Please remain calm. At 5:57 p.m. today, the Sewer Control Protection detected a chemical leak into your local water supply. This chemical induces intense laughter in anyone who consumes it for an extended period of time. This effect can cause major muscle damage and in some extreme cases, death. At this time you must avoid water supplied from local water supplies. This includes taps, baths, showers, and any reservoir. Do not attempt to drink naturally sourced water. Do not indigest any fluids no matter what. Any person displaying symptoms of chemical infection should be immediately hospitalized. In the event of a leak, do not approach. Sewer Control Protection apologizes for any inconvenience and will get this issue finished shortly. If you must, travel to an area 50 or more miles away to drink water safely. Thank you for your cooperation.
All operative SCP recontainment squads be advised, SCP-999 has accidentally leaked into the water supply in San Francisco. If you can, please assist with the recontainment efforts of SCP-999. If this situation gets out of hand, we could have an XK-class end of the world scenario in our midst. Good luck, soldiers. Secure, contain, protect.